everybody, it's Lori. Welcome to my studio. I'm glad you're here. Today I have two canvases. They're Artist Loft 4x12-inch canvases. They're really fun to work with, and they're a great way to try out different things that you want to try out, which I've used them for many times. But today I just wanted to make a diptych. I can always add a 12x12 for the center and make it a triptych if I want to, or, just whatever I decide to do, but this is where I'm at today. My base color is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic in the blue with a little bit of black in it. I like to have these flow acrylics on hand. I have the primary colors, the yellow, blue, and red, along with the black and white, so that I can make up different colors for background. It makes it easier to just do different things. So what I've got here is kind of a darker blue. You can mix, of course, anything that you like and make it as dark as you want just by simply adding a little bit more black. But those are my base colors. And I've got some sterling silver from DecoArt. And I've got golden iridescent gold fine. And I've got this is Amsterdam's deep gold. So I just want to have a little bit of gold and silver in there today on top of the blue. Very simple, but hopefully it should be very elegant at the same time. So that's all. That's the only colors. I will have the pouring medium and everything listed in the description below, along with the colors again, so that you can look at them and write them down from there, or do a screenshot or whatever you want to do. Okay, so I'm going to put on some music and let's paint. they are. Wet results. Just a quick little video. I wanted to try something different. A little bit different than what I've done in the past with the balloon kisses. I've got more paint on my canvases than I usually have, and you can see how things have just kind of flowed around, and they don't even look like balloon kisses, really. They are just kind of everywhere, and I really like it. Sorry about the shadow there with my hand. I like this a lot. Some of the gold turned a little green, but that's okay. There should be a nice shimmer when it dries. And hopefully it doesn't crack. I didn't put any GAC 800 in any of the paints. The gold, the deep gold from Amsterdam had some in there, but that's the only one. And leaving this much paint on the canvas, I probably should have done that just to prevent cracking, but we'll see if they crack or not when they dry. I wanted to let you know that if you want to see my paintings when they're finished completely with the resin on them, you can follow the link in the description box below to my Facebook page, and I have posted most of them there. I don't get them resined immediately oftentimes because I get busy with other things. I'll be showing you some of those other things coming up too in some of my future videos. And I just wanted to let you know though that you can see them over at the Facebook page. There's also some links below to other things that you might be interested in, including a 5% off discount for Chaos Resin. There's a link to the website where you can purchase it, and the code is Lori05. I appreciate it. It helps me out a bit. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I really appreciate that too. And thanks for hanging out with me today for this little video. I'm going to have another video out soon in a couple days. I usually put 3 out a week. That's my goal. Sometimes I don't make it, but most of the time I do. Anyway, there we go. Take care of yourselves until next time. Love you all very much. Take care. Bye.